After seeing this, you will never buy cinnamon again. If I had known before. Cinnamon is a well-known spice for its culinary uses, but nevertheless almost never cultivated in the ordinary domestic environments, as much of interior as of outside. The cinnamon tree is typical of hot and humid areas, grown mainly in Sri Lanka and India. But we can grow our own cinnamon tree at home, both in a pot indoors, as if we live in a warm area also outdoors. In this video we are going to explain how you can grow your own cinnamon tree at home in a simple way, to which you do not have to dedicate too much care and you just need to know some peculiarities. Although in its natural habitat can reach considerable heights of up to 10-15 meters, at home we can grow it as a small shrub. We can prune it to keep it at a height of 120 centimeters without any problem, or let it grow more until doubling that measure. Possibly it will be the maximum height that can take. The seeds produced by the cinnamon tree can be picked and replanted. How to grow the cinnamon tree? 1. Cinnamon is propagated by seeds and cuttings. 2. Place seeds or cuttings obtained from healthy, mature trees in a container with soil and in a dark place. 3. After approximately 4 months, the seedlings need to be transplanted to the final containers, either outdoors or in a larger container. The larger the container, the larger the tree. 4. This tree does not need direct sunlight, but not a shady place. 5. Can at any time for the harvest or to prevent the plants from becoming too tall or too broad. 6. Keep containers in a warm place and do not overwater as the root may rot. 7. The first harvest will be obtained after 2 or 3 years, and later will be done in alternate years. 8. When the branches are about 3 centimeters in diameter and a violet color, they should be cut to 5 centimeters of the main trunk. 9. Cut the plant every 2 years and wait for new shoots to grow. The cinnamon of better quality is the one that is taken from the middle part, and the one of inferior quality from